Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys, and today guys I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at Etsy best sellers. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com. If you've not already, go ahead and open up the main page, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started. So first thing we're going to do is log into our account. If you do not already have an Etsy account, what you can do is just go ahead and sign up for one, and then once you have your account, you can log in normally. So log in normally, and after doing so, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page where we can take a look at all the products we can buy. We can even get started setting up our shop if we want, using the shop manager and so on. So now let's go and take a look at how we can find the best sellers on Etsy to find the most popular products. Basically guys, as you can see in the home page, once using the search bar and using the categories option, you cannot find the most sold items. But what you can do is go ahead and check out items manually for how many reviews they have. So once you search for something, Etsy is usually going to go and provide you the most popular items by itself, but not in an order, just very popular items that people often buy. So what you want to do is check out the items for yourself. Let's say you're searching for something, you're going to open up the products, and once opening it up, it's going to show you how many reviews the products have. As you can see, this product right here has almost 4k reviews, and as you can see, they have 5-star reviews. So this is a very popular product, while this product right here has almost 60,000 reviews, and this is a very popular product and one of the best sellers. So you want to find their products with the most reviews. This is going to enable you to track which sellers are competitive and which sellers you can trust, and they're the best sellers with a lot of orders. Here you can check out the orders, what the stars are, what the reviews are, ratings are, and so on, so you can find the best sellers and know which products to buy. And basically that's how you can do it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.